This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 11, 2019. This one here, I gotta go check on an AC I put in a couple of years ago, replacement. I put a Goodman in there, an air handler and a condensing unit outside. The guy had a real old unit up in the attic and a train unit outside, and it was a bad leaker. So I changed it out, and I'm gonna go over there and check the filter upstairs and check the charge in the unit, maybe spray the outside unit down type of thing. So we'll see if the Goodman is still working. Oh my God, it's a Goodman!
Turn left on North Street.
Yeah, no good, it's gonna die in a week. We'll see, it's been in a couple of years, we'll see how it's running. Guys didn't seem to have any issues with it, so if he did, he would call me. Just like maintenance, you know. Oh my God, it's a Goodman. It ain't gonna work for too long. It's a Goodman. Filter's been in, he says 2 years. I mean, it's not even dirty. But we did change it. I put this system in a couple of years ago for this guy. It's a piston. Yeah, you want to put a piece of wood over there just to keep the leaves out, right?
Yeah, I put a wrap on it. It's down to about here.
That's perfect, yeah. As long as it don't go all the way down so it can breathe, it'll be alright.
You ever hear of the Pump Spy app?
The what?
Pump Spy.
No, I never heard of that. What do you mean by that, Pump Spy?
I got that outlet, right? And that outlet has a sensor that I put in a little bobber. It goes about 1 inch above with a sump pump. If the water doesn't work, this will notify me that the sump pump has failed.
Oh, okay, that's right in the plug, huh? So they have alarms. I mean, you can put an alarm on there and just when it lifts up, it starts squealing. Okay.
On February 16th, it ran 124 cycles for 731 gallons.
Oh, so it gives you the breakdown.
Then the following day, 619 gallons. Then on February 18th, 547. Then it dropped to 171.
So it did go off.
This morning.
So that's kind of cool that you got your thing. So that is working for you. Every once in a while, you want to go down there and just lift up the float and see if the pump runs. You can go down in the pit.
Yeah, I got it so I can lift it up.
Lift up, put your hand in there. You won't get shocked. Just lift up the, if it has been dry and it hasn't been running for 6 months, go down there and lift up the flow.
There's always a little water.
Lift the flow and see it. Then you can hear it running. If it don't run, then you know you need to change it. But you got the alarm, so you're good. All right, so we're good here with the charge. I mean, that's what we need to be for today. 22.
There's no problem with this because it tilts a little bit. This thing here won't disconnect anything.
No. You got a shovel? I'll pick it up a little bit. We'll put some more stuff under the corner. You got a shovel?
Yeah, I wouldn't put soft stuff on it.
Oh, we'll push some of this shit under it.
No, it just sinks through. I'll get a motor.
Alright, we're good there. Charge is fine. Change the filter. Might hit this with the hose on the way out. It's fine. So it don't hurt to do this every so often to keep it clean.
I should do it?
Yeah, just to keep, if it gets dirty, you can look in there and see if it's dirty, right?
Yeah.
And just hit it, keep the coil clean. Ain't rocket science.
Oh, but if you're on the business, you don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Now I know.
Yeah, it don't take long. I mean, what happens is it pulls in from the outside and it gets all dirt in there. You can look in there easy enough, see if it's dirty, right? You got any more slack or that's it? It's only been in a couple of years, so it's not really dirty.
Yeah.
A Goodman. Yeah, we reused the line set, and I just changed the condenser and the evaporator for the guy a couple of years ago. It's running fine. Put it up on snow legs for cleaning. Good. Canadian geese. Look at them all. Stopping traffic. Walking across the road here. Look at them all. Holy shit. Come on, bitch, we ain't got all day here. Come on, mama, you can do it, mama. You can